Hey, what's going on YouTube? So back with the Amigo Rocky, the Ct70 clone. Show you guys how to do a tune-up on this. Fairly simple. So this is what I use. I use Valvoline full synthetic motorcycle oil 1040. Is what I use in it. So we're gonna be using Valvoline. The spark plug I use is the NGK C7 HSA. So it's pretty simple to do these. Get a pan under there. It's a 17 millimeter for the bottom. The bottom drain right there. I already had loosened it, so it's the one with the tab. And then we'll just drain it out. This oil shouldn't be too dirty. It only has like, I believe 150 miles on it. Yeah, almost 150. But since it's still new, I like to change it out sooner. Okay, so we have that draining out. I always open up the dipstick as well. Let that vent. Okay, so for the spark plug is a 16 millimeter. I already loosened it as well for you guys. And this one is an NGK in here. When I first got the bike, I put an NGK in it. Let's see. It's a very straightforward, simple process. So here's our plug. Okay, we're gonna be removing that, changing that. Okay, the bike's just about done. I like to give it a little tilt so you can get everything out of it. Okay, so first we'll do the spark plug. Here's our brand new plug. Normally I like to open up the gap just a little bit, so give me a quick sec. Okay, so here's our plug, our new one. I already opened up the gap a little bit. Let's get that in there. And this works as well for any bike, any pit bike motor. They're gonna be all the same. Okay. That's in there, that's tight. Put that boot back on. So the oil already should have drained. Here's our oil bolt. Make sure to put the washer first. Put that back on. Then we'll switch over to a 17 mil. Get this out of the way. Tighten it up. Now for refilling it, these have 946 milliliters. You got to put 800 in the bike. So let's see. So we're putting 800 milliliters. That's what it takes. I'm doing it without a funnel, so I got to be careful. Oops. Then you could check off to the side over here. We still need a little bit more. Just a hair more. Okay. So we put 800 milliliters in here. First, let me wipe this down. I have a bunch of mess. Okay. Put our dipstick in. And then the same thing when you check these, it's just a dipstick. So you just put it in, dip it, and check it. Make sure the bike's level. You always want it to the top of the X's. So this little ball right here, that will tell you it's full. So it's very simple. Alright, so let's tighten that back up. Okay. Wipe off anything that dripped. And that's it. That's the tune-up. So spark plug, oil. We're at 150 miles on it now. So what you want to do all the time as well, when you're doing a tune-up, you always want to check your bolts. So check your speed sensor, check your forks, check everything. You know, just go over it, check your motor mounts. It's a good time to go over the bike. Check anything that's loose. It's better to take care of it now than something else happening later. And if anything needs to be greased up, grease it up now. It's, you know, very simple to go through it. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for subscribing, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.